Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be designing Dutch roof. We're going to be designing Dutch roof. From our last video, we designed a ridge cap on this. Looking at it, you'll be seeing the ridge cap on it. So today we're going to be designing a Dutch to this place. I want to show you how to do it, how to have a Dutch on a roof. Not minding we'll have a ridge cap. We're going to look for a way to adjust and achieve back our ridge cap. Okay. So first of all, what we're going to do is to go to a plane, a site. Go to a site. Okay. Go to a site. Go to sites. Copy this particular roof. Okay. Highlight it. Highlight it. Highlight this roof. Therefore, copy it exactly like this. Horizontal. Let me move up a bit. Not too far. Okay. Now I have my roof duplicated here now. Okay. The thing about this about taking, you took two roofs alongside. Take two roofs alongside. Delete this and this. Highlight. No. I want to allow the ridge cap to be there. Or I did this ridge cap there, that it is. There's other way to do achieve it as well. And copy. Pick on the edge. Okay. As soon as you copy it, we're going to edit this region that we want to place our pitch on. We want to edit this region that we needed to put our pitch on. So therefore, we edit, pick up a line on a 45 degree. Okay, on that line on the 45 degree, we have the missing points here. Okay, no wahala. These points would define this slope. Define this slope, or define this slope. Okay, so it become a fascia, not a slope anymore. Then all these other ones here, we delete all of them. Delete. Delete all of them. Now, our pitch will have a cover wall here. So therefore, let's pick up a line. Let's say here, 1 meter, this way. Okay. So therefore, let's use trimmer to take it off. Let's take it off. Also define this wall to be, we define the slope. So therefore, finish it. Now we have this sheet here. We have this portion of this face here now. So let's bring up this one again here. still copy this, copy. Make sure you're going to pick it at a point where they will be intersecting. Pick it at this point. At this point. So that is the point, that is the flow I'm working on. That is the point I picked it. So they are intersecting at that point. So now I need to edit this other one. So edit. So pick up a line like so. Can even go this way, go this way, go that way to cover it. Therefore, pick up this slope, pick up, delete this slope. So we have here, now for we define here, define here, we define here, and also define this slope. So we define it. So therefore, let's see what we've achieved. Finish. Finish. So let's see it in a 3D view. Look at what we've achieved in a 3D view. This is the pitch we're looking for. The dodge we're looking for. We've achieved it, the design. So now I'm going to delete this other one and replace it to this one. So this is the way to create your dodge, your dodge roof. So if you're having complex one too, you want me to apply it here and here and there, you do the same. I only want to apply it only at the front region on this design. So therefore, this is how to do it. Now we are meant to place ridge cap on it. I'm meant to place ridge cap on it. So let's go by going back to our sites. This is our design. So okay, we're supposed to use reference line to place so that they can be in the same line, but since I have this ridge cap here, don't need it. Just delete this one, delete that one, delete that one. So that roof should be coming here too, with that reference to this point. So let's highlight this. Also highlight, hold Control key and highlight that. So therefore, you can say move. Let's copy this time. Pick it from this edge. Okay. That edge. I have my ridge cap there. Okay. It has entered. Now let's see. We have our dodge as well here, alongside with the ridge cap. So let's see what we have achieved in our 3D view. This is it. So having this already on this design, what I'm going to do now is I need to remodellize this ridge cap so that it will also fall in here. Looking at this ridge cap, we found out that it needed to, it's having different definition. This slope here command is still active on it. That's why it is stretching to this point. So let's start off by changing the flow, the slope definition. Let's go back to our sites. Edit. Let's change this slope definition. Let's change this to loop destination. Okay, change this loop definition. Say finish. Therefore, at this point now, I need to pick this particular working plan. It's alone. Now I'm picking it now. Picking it now. Working plane. Look at the working plane here. So I needed to, since I'm not small working on this face. This face is no more, I'm no more concentrating on this face anymore. So we should concentrate on is here and here. What is happening here and here. Okay. Meanwhile, I have my wall, my line here. Okay. I have my line here. So what I will do now is to place this here. My dodge is here. Dodge is here. Okay. I need to drag this back. And take it back to this point. Jersey. Okay, can still do this quickly. Okay. Move this. Delete this and this. Trim this and this. Cuts here and here. Therefore, to make an element, extension, trim extension. Like so. Okay. Therefore, this had to come to this place. Let me trim. Split here to 2. Trim extension. Trim extension. Okay. Move all of that. Move all of that. Trim extension. Trim extension. Now let's see what we've achieved. Let's see what we've achieved. Remember, I recessed back with 100mm back, recessed back with 100mm back. The reason is because if I should place this command here, it's not working anymore. So I've changed the slope here. It's not going to curve this region for me. It's going to be flat as well. That's why I had to do this one first, so that to be half of it. So I'll not do this particular ridge separately. Let's see it in our 3D. Let's finish model and look at it in our 3D view. Have it here now. It's no more here. Suppose we also bring it here, it will flat. It will not be having this ridge curve anymore. This curve cutting is here already. What we wanted to achieve here, we've achieved it. So what is remaining here now, just here, needed to have a ridge. Needed to have this cover here. So instead of taking like those, like from our previous video, we copied this up very high before bringing it down again. But for this in the course of this tutorial, you don't need to copy it high. You need to replace it at the height of that ridge cap. Now, let's just do that. First of all, let's go to side to south view. Go to side south view. Let's go to south view. Look at it here. So now this is ridge cap and this is the roof sheet. Okay, so let me copy this roof sheet to ridge cap point from this point to this point. Okay, now that is my ridge cap. That is my other sheets. Now I need to edit it. Meanwhile, let me go to sites plan. We go to sites. We go to sites. Okay, I need to it's on the top. I'm viewing it, it's on the top. So what I'll do is to go to vertical like we did initially. I like the plane. I want to make use of just place my line on this region. It's supposed to stop here and this way. Same thing here. This region. Go this way. And let me pick offsets too. Offsetting it this way. Okay. Pick up the line. Lining it here. Lining it here. So let's trim extension. It's a quick way to do your Dutch roof and ridge cap finish. Okay, you see it, the command it has folded. Let's see it now in our 3D view. Look at it. We achieved it. Look at it. Look at it. So now we have this opening. Now, so to me, you can use generic model to place a design there, but for a quick one, let us use wall. You can also use wall to do that. So it can still serve the same purpose. Take what level is that region? Let's go on our 3D, on our, let's see our section, elevation, south view. South view, this is level 5. This is level 5. So let's go to level 5 and do something on the wall. Level 5. Okay. Wow. Level 5. Level 4. Still coming up. Level 5. Level 6. This is up. Let me check level 6. Wait, let's check sites. I mean south view. Level 6 is very far. Near level 5. Okay, let's go back. Level 5. Okay, it has come up. Just coming up since. So level 5, we are going to have a wall here. Escorting. Let's go to sites plan. Go to sites. Go to sites. on site, we're having from 1, supposed to cut, we'll set it back a bit, it will enter. So therefore, let's go to 5. From 1 here, it should go, because I'm not seeing it cut where it's supposed to be. So we're going to cut it here. So let's pick a wall. Pick a wall. What wall are we using? Are we still using this wall? Basic. Okay, generic. 20 mm. That's no problem. I always use it. Also use this thin wall. I use this one too. Let me use this one and duplicate it. Use thin wall and duplicate it so I can see it. This thin has the material on it. Okay. Edit. Duplicate. You can give it a name. You can change it to give it a name. Probably call it pitch cover or Dutch cover. Okay, whatever you can name it. But I do remember you to just these figures. Okay, so okay. Therefore, go here. When we change the dimension, it's not, I don't want it to be 200 anymore, 150 anymore. I want it to be 20 millimeter is okay. I think it is still white. I think it's still white. Let me check the model. Color. Synchronizing to come up. I think it should be white. Should be white. It has come up. Because it is white. Let's say okay. 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 So therefore, while we're placing it, let's say between here and here, what is the height of the, okay, let's just do this here. Let's show the wall this. This is the height. The height is 3000. Yeah, let me see. The height should be 2000. So we're going to go to view, to the view and set everything. Okay. So let's go to 3D view. Look at it. Okay. Take it inside. Let's take it inside. Try to plug in. Look at it here. Highlight. Take it inside. Okay. It's done in. Okay. I think this is good now. So let's edit this. Let's edit this. Edit. Okay. And let's do this. Let's do this faster. Trim off. Trim off. Then let's have a design on it. Let's have a design in it. Okay. Like so. Okay. Pick up a line again. Let's have a design on it. Like so. Those holes you used to see on it. Like so. Okay. I think the up one is bigger. I'm closing it a bit. Okay. So let me highlight this, this, and this. Take it up a bit. Okay. I think we're done. Finish. Okay. This is it. This is it. This is the roof. The Dutch roof we did. So follow for more content like this. Follow for more content like this. We're bringing to you more designs on Revit and Lumion. More designs on that. So this is it. We've achieved it, and this is how it is. Okay. Thank you. If you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe. You may feel on your notification bell as soon as we drop the educative videos like this. You'll be the first to get to know it. Okay. Thank you. Follow for more.